Aloha everyone! I'm Gabby
And I'm Georgie,
and we are the mommies of Sisterhood Furniture
and content creators for Dixie Belle Paint. In this tutorial, we are going to work on a true beauty. There it is.
We are going to paint it with the help of Dixie Belle Paint, and we are going to use some stunning shades of blue and also golden gilding wax because this bureau has some stunning details. It would be a shame not to.
Anyway, the first step is to clean the piece really well with white lightening Dixie Belle Furniture Cleaner. Then rinse it twice only with water to get rid of any leftover solution or dirt. After the piece dried, I painted the base coat in black using clay paint from Dixie Belle. On the second coat, we are going to use chalk paint, but for the base I use the clay line because it's thicker, so it's great for creating a nice soft texture. That's why I'm dabbing the paint like this. It also helps in creating texture. Dixie Belle has another option for creating texture if you are after a super texture look. It's called Sea Spray and it's a powder you mix with paint. But for this piece we prefer a soft texture and clay paint is just great for this. Once it dried, it was time for the second coat. Now it's time to add color, and for this step I use synthetic brushes as they are amazing for blending. I started to apply antebellum blue all over, but I'm going to work in sections. So for the moment I'm just gonna work on the right side of the bureau. I applied black around antebellum blue to create a soft shadow, and I blended the colors with a clean brush. It's a really easy blend, even for beginners. I also introduced vintage duck egg on the middle detail and on the sides to create a highlight with it, and I first blended it with antebellum blue brush to just mix the colors a bit more first, and then I blended them properly with a clean brush. On the interior of this bureau, we painted it with 2 coats of burlap using a brush for the corners and the foam rollers so we have a smooth finish. Now it's time for golden gilding wax because it's a must here. Of course I'm going to start with these details because I couldn't wait to finish the piece and do that here. I used the biggest artist brush from Dixie Belle. It already has like a funky shape from so much golden waxing. I applied it on the handles too, on the drawer. It gives like a special elegance. We enhance the wood with oil-based wax, which is also orange scented. And imagine, that is just a dream. It smells amazing and it's our favorite wax of them all.
I seal the whole piece with 3 layers of gator hide, a durable water repellent sealant, letting each coat to dry for about 2 hours.
And this is the final result! Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, learned something new, and if you did so, please don't forget to subscribe and hope to see you in our next furniture tutorial. See you soon. Bye!